You think you can't make art because you don't know how to draw, or you think painting is too technical? I'm here to tell you, yes, you can. I see so many people that tell me, but Cecile, I can't do that. I don't know how to draw. I don't know how to paint. This is too complicated. But there is a way to make art without drawing and without painting. Well, there are several ways to do that actually, but I have one way that I want to talk about today, and this is figurative collage with painted papers. Collage can teach you a lot for your art journey. It can show you things that you will use if you want to go in painting, drawing later on, and this is a very good start in your art journey. For example, this first project in the course, we start simple. We are making very graphic vases from painted papers. And I love that because you get a sharp edge that I will never be able to achieve with a traditional brush. And this is interesting to play with the elements during the making of this collage, so you can see where your eye like better this one on this dark background or maybe on this other one. It's really playful. You can move the elements and find the composition you like. So you learn about shape and background, composition, color relationship. Look how you can learn a lot of things with a single collage. This second one is a free cut beetroot or radish. You will see whatever you want in there. But it's organic shapes and there is a lot of freedom in doing this one. And we will play with the texture of the painted papers we have done. And during the course, I use only the paper we paint together at the first lesson. Then we use a bit of magazine papers just to tear them and making an abstract landscape. It's a very interesting thing to do. You can ramble through your magazine pages, find the right color, and we will learn about atmospheric perspective while doing this one. Now it's time to level up a bit your collage skills and go for something a bit more precise with a lot of strong colors, always using our painted papers. And we will talk about the relationship between the different colors and how to render the volume with simple shapes. Then a cute landscape. I love this one. Mixing, tearing papers, cutting papers, leaving a white edge, going straight, and trying to balance everything to get something harmonious. And as we can move the elements, it's a pure joy to do. Some cute bird with a really simple technique that I will show you in the course. This one is so fun to do. I love this technique. A coffee cup with vintage papers and a bit of gold, because who doesn't love a bit of gold? Let me move that to the light so you can see. And this is a great way to learn about light and shadow. Then some cat silhouettes. Positive and negative one, very important that you learn the balance between the shape and the background. Some flowers with all we have left over on the table that we can use to make a new collage. And the final project is this portrait made from torn magazine papers. This is the most complicated in the course, but if you compare to the first one, we've come a long way and we have learned a lot of things during the course. I've put all this in my new course with a complete lesson on how to paint your papers, and this is the only moment you will hold a brush, but it's not for technical brushwork. No drawing required. When you need something drawn, I enclose a template that you can print and use as it is. 10 full tutorials, step by step, with me narrating, explaining everything I do. And we use minimal supplies: magazine papers, painted papers, a bit of glue, a pair of scissors, and your fingers to tear the paper. This is so therapeutic. Tearing papers, gluing papers. You'll love that. The course is available now. You can click the link in the description box below and join us for some collage fun. And if you ever said, I can't do that, I can't draw that, this course is for you. And it will also teach you so much about traditional art that it will be a boost in your art journey. So you can start now, you can have fun, you can enjoy what you are doing, and you can be proud of the art you create. Let's have fun!